Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sharwin's Hub. Hope you're all doing good. And today I'm back with a new video on this resort Angsana. And I'll give you a room tour as well as the resort tour today. You can have a look at this resort through my eyes. So yeah, let's get on with the room tour. We had got this room on the first floor, and as soon as you enter, on your left hand side you have a cupboard wherein you have the basic things like hanger, locker and some drawers. And to my right we have this washroom, which is also pretty decent one, and they have provided everything: shampoo, conditioner, soap, tissues, everything that you need, the basic stuff. And yeah, we have this side table and a TV unit and a work desk and a big spacious bed and a cot which you can sleep for the entire day if you're allowed to. It's so comfortable. And now you can see this balcony door. I'll take you in some time. So yeah, it's pretty spacious, I must say, this balcony, and it's an amazing view that you have. To the other side of this balcony we have some villas, and people who have taken room on the ground floor have access to this lawn area, so kids must be having a good time, whoever had taken these rooms. So it's a good delight to our eyes, as well as you feel very fresh and good from within. So you just can sit there and relax for some time. Yeah, I forgot to show what was inside the cupboard, so I'm just giving a glimpse of it. It's just the basic hangers and lockers and some drawers. And so this is the front view of the room. So, and this is how the room entrance looks like. And even you can just stand here and have a look at the lawn area. Now let's see the kids play area. They have a basic ball pool and slide, and swimming pool. I must say it's quite big, it's widespread, and we had a real good time in the pool. Even you must be seeing here the kids had a good time. And this is the entrance of the Angsana resort, and that is the parking space for your 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers. And this is a 360 degrees view of the resort. We have a lot of other villas as well on the other side. So yeah, this is a perfect place for a short staycation and a good break. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.